Namaskar, all of you. Hope you are doing good. Once again, step into our channel. Competitive exam special part 9 polysets again. But here we are going to discuss now the topic which is connected to our plane geometry. Okay, so this is area of shaded region problem and this is strictly connected with circles. Okay, so let us go through it. It plays important role for various competitive examinations also. Let us start now. So PT is equal to 6 centimeters, PA is 3 centimeters in AB. So with the help of the figure, we have to get the value of AB. Okay. For our convenience sake now, I am going to locate the values. So PT is nothing but here it is tangent. Okay, a line which intersects a circle at only one point. So nothing but here it is given 6 centimeters. And PA is 3 centimeters. Then we have to determine the value of AB. Let us suppose that it is X. So, in generally, SSC students of all the boards will get confused because it is out of syllabus, little bit, not so complicated but very easy. So, PT is a tangent and PB or PAB is a secant. Okay, and O is the center of the circle. If PAB is a tangent or PB is a PB is a secant and PT is a tangent, then we have the property that PT square is equal to PA into PB, where PT is a tangent and PB is a secant. This is a property we have. So this implies PT is nothing but 6. So 6 square PA is nothing but 3 to PB. If you observe carefully the figure, PB is comprised of 3 and X, PA plus AB. So directly I am writing since it is competitive exams. So nothing but here I can write 3 plus X. So where is our AB is X? Our intention is to find this one. So 36 is equal to 9 plus 3X. This is nothing but a linear equation, one variable, simple equation solving you are going to get. So nothing but here 3x is equal to 27, x is equal to 9. So therefore the value of AB nothing but just 9 centimeters. Got immediately the answer, the B option here. Just you should able to remember here our statement if PT is a tangent and PAB is a secant. So it's very easy, just remember the formula connected to tangents and secants. So please viewers, not only watching always the video, whatever it may be, comment and share to your near and dear friends. Still those who did not subscribe, please do it. Okay, comment our Square Maths YouTube channel. So this is a very rare point which is connected to your board exams. Okay, even though you will get in IIT Foundation or Olympiads. Okay, so in this way we can overcome. Just I think so in 1 minute we completed. Now coming to next problem. I was here. So what is the intention of the next problem here? The area of the segment PAQ. O is the center of the circle and here PAQ means this part. Nothing but shaded part. We have to determine the shaded region. Okay. So nothing but if you observe carefully, the shaded part lies here, this part in this region. Nothing but this part is nothing but here it is a 1/4 of the circle, nothing but sector of a circle. And this is our triangle, nothing but right angle triangle. Anyhow, since it is sector, here it is 90 degrees. Okay, quadrant of a circle, sector, strictly quadrant, 90 degrees here. Okay, so area of shaded region, directly I am writing here region is nothing but area of sector minus area of triangle, area of quadrant you can write, no problem, quadrant minus area of triangle POQ. Just simple. So total area minus triangle area gives you the area of shaded region PAQ. Okay. So area of quadrant, nothing but x by 360 into pi r square, x is r 90 degrees. So 1/4 of pi r square. So 1/4 of pi radius is nothing but our A. A is the radius of the circle minus here area of triangle half into base into height in generally. But here since POQ is a right angle triangle here, since here it is 90 degrees, OP and OQ will act as the legs of the right angle triangle as we discussed many times. So half into product of the legs here A into A. So pi A square by 4 minus A square by 2. So after doing this problem, you will be checking the options. Which options here? This one. Nothing is suitable here. Still we have to go through our simplification part, this one. Okay. So nothing but all before bracket you have A square by 4. Here you have to take A square by 4 as a common now. So if I take A square, okay, as common, remaining part is pi by 4 minus here A square by 2. Sorry, already I have taken no common. But I should take pi A square by 4 as common. So nothing but if I take A square by 4 as common, okay, pi minus, since I have taken 4 as common, okay, I will get here 2. You can check it also. If you multiply with 4, so pi by 4 minus 1 by 4 into 2. 2 once, 2 twice. We are going to get again this one. Okay. So this is the area of the shaded region PAQ from the figure, from the options. A square by 4 into pi minus 2 gives you B option. Okay. So you have the total look of the two problems. Just a 2 minutes maximum, and this is a 1 minute. In 3 minutes, 2 problems we have been completed. Once you have the total look of these 2 problems. So please viewers, as usual, do everything. If you feel good, then like it and share to your near and dear. See you in the next video session.